Okay, I have recording.
This thing is freaking out. See the mouse? How big it is?
Happy.
Rat. Oh, crap.
Mom, happy.
Oh.
Can you hold the thing? Its tail fell off. Dad. Dad! Its tail fall off.
Look at this. Here, hold this. Or go wash yourself. Go wash yourself.
Oh.
And bring me the... You can hear. Come hold this real quick.
But Mom, you're going to hold this.
Raymond, don't touch it. Right there. Hold it right there. There's blood.
Ripped its own tail off, man.
Oh, yeah. Ew. That's nasty. Dad, how in the world could the tail fall?
It ripped its own tail off.
How can it rip its own tail? Dad, I thought
It's just blood, honey.
Yeah, rat's blood.